Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add stickers to your picture on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on Gallery. In Gallery, you want to open up a folder that you would like to add stickers. So for example, this one right here. Then tap on the edit button. Next, you want to swipe across and tap on the sticker button. Now in stickers, there is quite a lot of choices to choose from. You can add in your own emoji right here. And you can readjust the size of the sticker. You can add in more stickers by tapping on the add sticker button. And you can swipe across. You can add in the date of today's date, or you can tap on it to choose a different date. Then you can also add in other shapes as well if you wanted to. There are quite many stickers available for you to choose from. You can also tap on the add button down here to download more stickers. Some of them are free and some of them can be purchased at a very small price. And so that's how you can add in stickers to your pictures. And then finally, once you are happy, tap on the save button at the top to save the changes. And that's it. That's how you can add stickers to a picture on the Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.